This paper collection from My Mind's Eye is called Happy Days, and it's full of bright colors and lots of affirmations. So let me show you what the papers look like first. There are 6 in here. They are double-sided, and you get a little preview as we look at the first sheet. You can see down here those dots. Well, on the back side of this paper, there are those dots, so that's just a nice thing to have. This is a strip that you will cut off probably because they're 12 by 12, and then but I do recommend you can use this as a border, so you might as well get extra duty out of it. And here is those great big flowers, very fun to use, and we have a bold stripe on the back. Looks like it's almost been hand painted, doesn't it? Some very sweet flowers here. And there are some dots on the back, kind of half dots, I guess you might say. And then we have another stripe, more colors this time, with this really pretty coral on the back. Now, this sheet might work well for a scrapbook page. You could certainly cut it up to make different cards, or you can use what's on the background, on the back of it, as you see. And there's some very funky chickens going on here. And I'm going to turn it over, and you see that same coral in these kind of egg-shaped. So those are the 6 papers. They are on a nice cardstock style. And in addition to that, you also get stickers. There are 30 stickers on this sheet, and you can see that there are some fun elements that will perfectly coordinate with the papers. Now, in addition to this, My Mind's Eye has washi tape collections. So there are 4 of them in this set. You get 10 feet per roll. And as you can see, the colors are going to coordinate perfectly, and some of the images are duplicated in the paper, so that works out very nicely. You can see that fun floral as well as the coral, some scaled down half dots, and some stripes. So there we go. 10 feet is really a good size. That's going to be plenty to use. Now, in addition to these 2 pieces, there's a package of what they call a mixed bag. So the mixed bag is die cuts. In this case, there are 60 pieces. And you can see that there's just a lot of images in here. So we've got larger images than what's on the paper or in the stickers, but everything will coordinate. And as I said, lots of affirmations like, you've got this, dream, fun, awesome is also spelled out. Okay, I guess that's not terribly affirmative, but you know, it'll work. Ride on. So some very fun things that are happening there. Let's see, this is for like ever. So all of that, as I said, 60 pieces. Now that's one purchase. The washi tape is another. And then the papers come with the stickers together. So that's really nice. And Happy Days is the name. Now, how might you use it? Well, let me show you. The designers have made a card and a page, so you can see that this card is really using everything. That paper, this is a cutaway card, measures 5 by 6.5, and on the inside, how fun to have another of the flower. You get that with the die cuts, and we have added some of our crepe ribbon just to add some dimension. The high is on foam tape. Very fun to see. Now, here's the scrapbook page. You can see that awesome is spelled up there. We've got one large photo at the beach, very, very fun, and you can see the papers have been layered, and just to give you a hint of each one, so it just really works well. All of those stickers and die cuts just do a very nice job all together. So Happy Days is the name of this collection, and you've got lots of things to coordinate. You can buy them individually, or we've bundled them all together for you.